YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Today in this video, you already know by the title, alright? I'm doing this review on the Babyliss Gold FX. Basically, both of them, the trimmer and the clipper, okay? You might as well kill two birds with one stone, right? What are you doing?
It hurts!
What? You're using a clipper, bro. I said a stone. What do you expect me to do? I'm killing two birds. Come on.
My feathers!
Okay. Alright, you guys, so I'm not going to go into too much detail with this clipper, being that I already did the review on the rose gold. They are different, but I'm gonna focus on these trimmers right here. This is what everybody wants to see. This is what everybody wants to figure out if they should cop or not. Should they get it? This is the clipper right here. So let's just unbox this thing and see what it comes with. So when you guys get your gold trimmers, it comes in this nice package, man. Packaging and presentation is everything, but look at the gold trimmer though. This is a beautiful clipper. On the front, you see it's engraved. It says Babyliss Pro. Then on the top of the blade, it says Gold FX. Now this part isn't engraved. It's more printed on, but it definitely gives a nice touch to this clipper. Now taking a look at the inside, you got to pull this piece out right here, and yeah, it definitely comes with a screwdriver right here. It comes with a screwdriver so you can adjust your clipper, take the head off. Also, it comes with, oh no, this is the adjuster. This right here is how you can adjust your blade and set your blade to where it's zero gap. So all you got to do is take this and use that to adjust the blade. Comes with a little duster right here to get the hair off the clippers. Also, it comes with some clipper oil so you can maintain your clippers and keep them lubricated. And also, it comes with a charger, obviously. Also, it comes with a manual, which basically tells you about the clipper, and on the back, comes with these two little stickers here. So let's do a sound test. How loud is the Gold FX trimmer? Alright, so we all seen this clipper floating around online. If you haven't, here it is. You know what I mean? Here it is. Come on. But I'm not gonna jump into too much specs on the clipper. We all just want to know, do they hit? All right, so you guys seen how they hit. I'm basically leaving it up to you guys. You guys could be the judge. You guys decide.
Oh, hell no!
What's with all the sad faces, huh? What's all with the, what is that? What's going on? You guys want to know my opinion? You want to hear my pros and cons? You want me to tell you if you should buy them or not, huh? I mean, I guess it's fair since you're watching this review. You guys want to know my thoughts, okay? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons of this clipper, let's just jump right into the cons, okay? Let's just go right into something that I don't like about this clipper. And one of the things that I've noticed that I don't like about the clipper is just the way you have to change up. It's just like attacking the hairline. It's just the measurement between the hairline and wait a minute. So you see this clipper right here, just the angle in which you attack the hairline, you know what I mean? It's kind of different, if you want to call that a con. I mean, it's hard to explain. It's hard to explain, but
It's not really a con, you're just setting your ways, bro.
another con is the being able to use any blade and put it on the clipper and modify them the way you want. So with the Babyliss clipper, it would be nice to put a modified blade on this, but being that this only has one hole and this has two, which causes, it's like it has something to do with the inside to where you screw it, and this one right here is actually missing that extra screw on top to where you can screw it in and add another clipper onto here. You know what I mean? So as far as modifying the blade, you can't. All you could do is use this blade that it comes with. Try to use the 1 minute blade shaver and try to modify it as best as you can, but you can't just go out and buy a modified blade for them. You know what I mean? You are stuck using this blade right here. But after I said this, I instantly realized, why would they let you use an Endis clipper and put it on a Babyliss clipper? That's not a smart move when it comes to a company. So I kind of take back my words and what I said about allowing you to use Endis. Like, hopefully in the future that they will allow you to use one of their clippers, and they might come out with their own, and that way that you can use theirs, and that way you can kind of modify it through them. You know what I mean? I had to come to the realization, if I was a company, I wouldn't want you to go over to Endis. You know what I mean? So I happily hold this L. At least I'm being honest. You know what I mean? I'm just saying though. Yeah, I just gave him something to think about. No? Okay, I'll take the L. Okay. Another con that I have with the clipper is the delay. Now, that's not too much of a big deal.
The delay? What? What? The delay? Bro, you're nitpicking. The delay?
Let's try the Endis cordless T outliner. I'm out of here. You're dumb. You're dumb. You're stupid, bro. You're dumb. Go back to barber school. You're dumb. But who's gonna be edging somebody up, turning it on, and then immediately edging somebody up? So is that a big deal? I think not. Okay, now you're talking facts. Now, that's all the cons that I have about this clipper. Let's talk about the pros. Now, one of the reasons why I like this clipper is the fact that you can adjust it without taking off this blade. All you have to do is put this plastic piece right here in the middle, take this screwdriver and kind of just adjust it right here, loosen it up, and then adjust it as need be, and you don't have to take off this blade. That is a game changer. All right, that is a game changer. I know the bevel does it as well, but this right here, this is way better in terms of getting that right fit, getting that right angle, getting that. It's just the modification of it. You could do so much more. Another thing I like is the color, the way it shines. Just, this looks premium. This looks like you spent some money on it. This gold FX, it really looks presentable. When you whip this out in front of your clients, they gonna know like, oh snap, like what are those? Like, they gonna feel special out the gate. Not only the color and the way it shines, but they actually work though. They actually hit. As you guys seen, these are no pushover. Comparing the two, it's just like, I definitely definitely can feel that the motor is stronger in this one, but it's the thing of how often do I choose one over the other, and I think I choose this one just because I gotta get used to how I angle my clippers, and it's just a matter of liking the feel of this clipper, using this clipper for years, you know what I mean, and just adjusting the angle in which I hit the line. That's the only, you know, problem I have with just picking this up first, but this is a definite must-have in an arsenal just because by the way it looks, by the way it hits, by the way, you know what I mean, you can adjust it. It's a dope clipper. It's definitely one you should have in your arsenal. Now, as far as the Gold FX, I'm gonna just keep it straight to the point, straight up real. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna show you how I cut with them because I got plenty of videos using this clipper. I'm gonna tell you like this clipper right here is my favorite clipper in my arsenal right now. Now, in terms of cutting a lot of bulk down, this is not the clipper to use, all right? But in terms of fading, I put these on the level as the fast feeds. I bench my fast feeds. I don't use my fast feeds no more. Corded clippers are kind of the thing of the past now with me. If it ain't cordless, I'm probably not gonna use it because once you use cordless clippers, it just changes your whole game, all right? It changes the way you go around your haircut, you go about your haircut, just everything, right? It's easier, it's faster, you can charge it, bam, boom, you can get a lot of clients in and out without being confined to a cord. Now, I'm not gonna compare my seniors to my Gold FX because these are totally different clippers. I use these to knock down bulk at a faster rate, where I use these to basically fade and do my blending. All right, YouTube, that is the video. That is my review. That is my thoughts. That is the look of the clipper. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you took my word as Bond. James Bond. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy and I'm out of here. All right, I'm gone. I'm leaving, okay? I did this video after work. Dennis was pressuring me to do this review. I'm telling you, he was at the Orlando premiere. Dennis had his hand around my neck saying, "Where's the review?" I said,